Now students, I am going to calculate cross product of these two vectors. A is given, B is also given. I am going to find A cross B. The value of A is I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap, and the value of B is 2I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. So I am going to find this A cross B of these two vectors. First I will find the cross product of these two vectors with the help of determinant method. So in determinant method, make a determinant like this. These two vertical line is called determinant. With the help of, to solve determinant, we have to make two vertical lines. First I will write I cap, j cap, k cap. To find A cross B, we have to write coefficient of this vector A first, just below this. And the coefficients are 1, 2 and minus 2. 1, 2 and minus 2. बच्चों डिटर्मिनेंट मेथड से क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करने के लिए दो वर्टिकल लाइन बना दीजिए. इस पूरे कॉम्बिनेशन को डिटर्मिनेंट कहते हैं हम लोग. मैथमेटिक्स में इसको बहुत डिटेल पढ़ाया जाएगा, यहाँ पर थोड़ा शॉर्ट में. सो ए क्रॉस बी करने के लिए पहले आप आई जे के लिखिए अपने आप से. ए क्रॉस बी में पहले ए है तो ए की कोफिशिएंट्स क्या है 1, 2 एंड माइनस 2, राइट लाइक दिस. फिर बी के कोफिशिएंट क्या है 2, -1 एंड 2, 2, -1 एंड 2. ना बच्चों इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, इक्वल टू लिखिए आई कैप, इसको इसके आगे बनाइए डिटर्मिनेंट. आल्सो राइट माइनस जे कैप एंड मेक वन मोर डिटर्मिनेंट. आल्सो राइट के कैप, मेक वन मोर डिटर्मिनेंट. We have to write something in this determinant, also in this and in this also. इसके बीच में क्या लिखना है, इसके लिए I के रो और कॉलम को गायब कर दीजिए मन ही मन. So eliminate row and column of this I cap to write in this determinant. बच्चे इसके रो और कॉलम को गायब करिए थोड़ी देर के लिए इसको, और इसको हमने ढक लिया. तो क्या बचा 2 - 2 and 1 - 2. 2 - 2 and -1 2. फिर से सुनिए बच्चों, I के आगे क्या लिखना था, इसके लिए इसके रो और कॉलम को एलिमिनेट कर दिया. 2 - 2 -1 2 बेटा. नाउ माइनस जे का बच्चों एक बार प्लस तो एक बार माइनस, एक बार प्लस लिखने वाला का होता है, ठीक है ना. इसका ये रूल है इसको सॉल्व करने का. डिटर्मिनेंट मैथमेटिक्स में बहुत डिटेल में पढ़ाया जाएगा, यहाँ हम लोगों को बस एप्लीकेशन सीखना है. सो प्लस माइनस एंड देन प्लस, नेक्स्ट रहता तो फिर माइनस हो जाता. अब इसके आगे डिटर्मिनेंट में क्या लिखना है, इसके लिए इसके जे के रो और कॉलम को आप ढक लीजिए. दिस इज रो एंड दिस इज कॉलम. सो 1 - 2, 2 and 2. 1 - 2, 2 and 2. देखो बच्चों, जे के रो कॉलम को हमने ढक दिया, रो को ढक दिया, कॉलम को ढक दिया. 1 - 2, 2, 2. नाउ के आगे इस डिटर्मिनेंट में लिखने के लिए, ठीक, एलिमिनेट दिस रो एंड कॉलम ऑफ के. सो 1, 2, 2 - 1. 1, 2, 2 - 1. Now to solve this, I will write I just below I, copy it, make a curly bracket. This into this minus this into this. So this into this is what, 4. Minus this into this is 2. 1 into -2 equal to 2. Minus plus 2 into 1 2. Minus j cap, make a curly bracket. 1 into 2 2. Minus this 2 into -2 -4. Plus this is what, k cap, make a curly bracket. 1 into -1 -1 minus 2 into 2 4. Listen once more. I cap copied. 4 minus 2 minus j copied. 2 into 1 2 minus 2 2 ja 4 minus 4. K cap 1 into -1 minus 2 2 ja 4. So student, we can solve it. This I cap this 4 minus 2 equal to 2 minus j cap minus j cap. Again this 4 plus 2 equal to 6 plus k cap. This is what? Minus 5. Listen, 4 minus 2 equal to 2. I cap copied. This minus j cap copied. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. This is what? Minus 5. So we can write it 2 I cap minus 6 j cap minus 5 k cap. So this is one of the easiest method to solve cross product of two vectors. But I will use one more concept to solve this cross product of two vectors. As I taught you, I cross I equal to 0 vector, j cross j equal to 0 vector, k cross k equal to 0 vector, I cross j equal to k, j cross k equal to I, k cross I equal to j, and reverse is minus of corresponding. So we can use that concept also. Student, you can write it. I am going to erase it. Pause this video at this moment and write it. Now I am again going to find cross of these two vectors by second method. Student, write this I 2j cap minus 2k cap cross 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. Student, to solve them by second method, we will use the concept I taught you, that this I cross will be multiplied into all these three unit vectors by using cross product concept. So I cross I equal to 0. So write 0 vector. I cross I equal to 0 vector. This I cross j equal to k, but minus is written, so I write minus k cap. I cross k equal to minus j cap. So student, as I taught you, that if this is I, this is j, this is k, so if I cross j, it is positive k, j cross k positive I, k cross I positive j. But in this case we are doing cross product of this I cross j. So I cross j equal to k, but minus sign will give result negative. So this I cross minus j equal to minus k. Due to this minus, this negative exists. Now I cross k. See, I cross k is equal to minus j, opposite to it, negative. So I cross k equal to minus j. So I will write this minus 2j cap. I cross k equal to minus j, but 2 is already present, so minus 2j cap. Now cross product of this I cross is have been done in all these three vectors. Now I am going to solve for this 2j cap. See, I will write it in a bracket. Student, this j cross I equal to minus k cap, which is opposite to the conventional sign. So j cross I equal to minus k cap. So I will write, I am removing this because it may create confusion. J cross I equal to minus k, so it is minus 4k cap. J cross j equal to 0. J cross k equal to I. J cross k equal to I, but 2 2s are 4. 4 I cap. So we have completed this cross product of 2j cap in all these three. I have not written 0 vector. Now focus yourself on this minus 2k cap. K cross I equal to j. K cross I equal to j. Minus 2 into 4 minus 4. minus 2 into 4 minus 4, j cap is already we calculated, j cross I equal to, sorry, k cross I equal to j. K cross j equal to minus I. K cross j minus I. This minus will be plus, minus are also coming due to cross product of k cross j. So I should write minus 2 into 1 2 I cap, because k cross j equal to I cap minus I cap, 2 1 ja 2. Now k cross k equal to 0. Now student, we can solve ijk, this 4i minus 2i equal to 2i cap. This minus 2j cap and minus 4j cap. Minus 2j cap minus 4j cap equal to minus 6j cap. Minus 2j cap minus 4j cap minus 6j cap. Now this minus k cap minus 4k cap minus 5k cap. So this is what? Cross product of these two vectors by one more method. I cross I equal to 0, I cross j equal to k, I cross k equal to j, I cross j equal to k minus I cross I equal to 0, I cross k equal to minus j, j cross I equal to k minus, j cross j equal to 0, j cross k equal to plus I, j cross k equal to plus I, so 4I cap. Now k cross I equal to minus j, k cross I equal to minus j, but this minus will be plus 4j cap. K cross j, k cross I equal to j, k cross I equal to minus j, so it will be plus 4j cap. Student, it will be plus 4j cap. See how? K cross j equal to minus, and this minus is already present, but this minus will be plus, so it will be again minus. Okay, we are correct. And k cross k equal to 0. This k cross I is equal to j minus j. So minus plus, minus plus, k cross j equal to minus I minus plus, so it is minus. What I am doing? K cross I equal to j, k cross I equal to j, 2 2 ja 4 minus 4, that is correct. K cross k equal to 0, k cross j equal to minus I, so plus minus. Student, it is correct. You can check it, but we can use this concept to cross product it. But the student, determinant method is easier method. We will solve one more problem in live classes for your better understanding. You can write it. If any problem, you can ask me. Thank you.